Hello, my unboxing friends. I hope you are all well today. Today, I have a Nailshack subscription box. Now, this I get for $9.95 a month, but if you prepay for 3, 6, 12 months, you get it cheaper. So I paid for the 3 months, and it came out to $40.70 all in for me. Now, I ordered this like at the beginning of the month, like the 3rd day of the month, and I just got it yesterday. So it took practically the entire month to get here. Even though their website says we'll send your first shipment out within 7 to 10 days, it didn't happen that way. But it's here now, and I'm excited about that. So your Nailshack pack will include 4 full sets, 1 for every week, of high quality, easy to apply nail polish strips. Plus, there's a fun nail file and gentle cuticle pusher for easy, flawless application. Enjoy the salon quality nails, quick and easy at home or anywhere. No drying time, easy application, custom curated. A great gift for all ages. Now, one thing about the cuticle pusher is you can use it to apply the nails, to push them down around the cuticle area and along the sides. So it comes in very handy for that. So it comes in this little bubble mailer. And we have how to apply your Nailshack strips with pictures. So that helps, just in case you can't read it. Use the nail polish strips at room temperature. Cold temperatures may cause the strips to harden and lose adhesion. Hot temps may cause the strips to become too flexible. Use immediately after opening. Air will cause the polish to dry. And store the leftovers in an airtight container, such as a Ziploc. Oh, it even says, even though they're dry to the touch, the adhesive will still need 3 to 5 hours to fully cure. Okay. Aw, little candy corns. I love this bag. Okay. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. You're very welcome. And we're going to pull it out there. So here is the nail file and cuticle pusher. Look how glittery that is. And it's orange. Perfect for October. Oh, how cute. So here we have the 4 sets. The first one, is there a name? No. Oh, I like these. The first one is a black with holographic glitter on it. The second one, that either looks like a paint smear, like paint pouring, or is it fire? Anyway, it's orange and black. These are really nice and fall-like with the pumpkins and plaid. Very nice. Ooh, I could put this one on the nails I have now. Oh, I put 2 of those nail stickers on. A little bit of a learning curve, but very cute. Oh, that little piece stuck out, but yeah. For a little added something something. And then I have, these are black with webs on them. Very Halloween. I really like the ones you get. Let's just look at those again. Here we go. And they all kind of mix and match. I'm very excited to use these. So that is the Nailshack subscription. Should we go through a couple of other things while we're here? It'll be really quick. So I have, you get my bag of goodies. Oops. Things come in and I put it in this canvas bag. And I have 1, 2, I think I just have 3 things right now. So I have 2 samples and something I ordered from Wish. So let's start with the Wish. So it looks like a stapler. They stopped their limited quantity deals and I was unhappy about that, so I just took my remaining money and just bought something. And this is a bag sealer. So you put a little battery in it. It has a magnet on it so you can put it on the fridge. So I open this bag, right, like you would like potato chips or whatever. So then you would put this on here and slide it and it'll reseal it. So I got that. So, aha. Okay, it might work now. I had them in wrong. Okay. Now let's see if it works. Oh, it does work. Oh, look at that. It's sealed. Wait. Look at that. It totally works. Oops. It totally works. Oh my God. How exciting is that? All right, cool. Now I got a sample. Now I got these from freeflies.com. They have all kinds of samples and free stuff and other things that you can sign up for. Well, I'm thrilled to get the samples, but what I don't like is how they have you kind of jump through hoops. You know, you've got to answer a million questions and fill out this and join this and sign up for this. And I don't like that. And I also don't like the millions of phone calls I'm getting either. So I might just stop doing that because it is rather annoying. Okay, so I did get a Dove dry spray. This is in, it's Cool Essentials. It looks like a cucumber on there. Not even a coupon. Not even a coupon. But I'm happy to get this. Thank you very much. Now, another one is from Biofilm. So let's see what that says, or what it is. For out of this world pleasure, Astroglide. Oh, is this for intimacy? It is, and it has a coupon. So this is Astroglide. It is a personal lubricant gel, and I have a coupon. So that's what I got. I got Nailshack today, a little thing that I hope works, some Dove personal lubricant and these fabulous nail stickers, which I'm looking forward to using. Well, I appreciate you coming by, and I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.